Okay, Betaji. So let's put on the heading exercise 3.4, chapter 3, class 6, maths we are doing. Okay. And this is this new topic that is we are going to do today. That is common factors. We've already done how to find factors, right? We've already learned how to do that by listing the factor method. Now is when we need to find the common factors in different numbers, in two numbers. So when the question here is 20 and 28, may we have to find the common factors. How do we do that? One way is better listing the method, listing the factors of both the numbers, and then finding the things that are common there. Just say, if I write for 20, the factors of 20 are 1 20s are 2 10s are 3 hota hi nahi hai, 4 5s are, and then 5 is the next number. That means I'm done finding with the factors. Let's remove this 3 here. And what are the factors here now? The factors here are 1, 2, 4.
But I do it in a different way.
How do you do it? You do it the short division way. That is called the short division method, beta. So you do it by short division method, right? Abhi
Yes.
wo bhi I'll explain, beta. Abhi that also I'll explain. So you have to learn all the methods, because when it's your exam, no teacher can write find the common methods by listing the factor method or by short division method. Then you have to do it the way it is written. Even if your answer is correct, the way is different, teacher won't give you marks. Okay. So for that, you have to learn all the methods. Now for 28 it is 1 28s are, 2 14s are, then 3 के table में 28 is it coming? No. 4 के table में 28 is it coming? At how? What number? 4 7s are. 5 के table पे is 28 coming? No. Very good. 6 के table में? No. Then 7 के table में 7 is already written there. जो हम list में next number सोच रहे हो, if it is already listed, that means we are done finding with the factors. So what are the factors then? The factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Right, beta ji, or not? Now what are the common factors? Common factor is 1. Common factor is 2. Common factor is 4. And what else? Nothing. है ना beta? So common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. That's the answer. This is what we call as listing the factor method, beta. Got it, beta ji, or not? And we have already practiced this a lot, that how to know that we are done finding the factors, all the factors are done. Right? Got it, bache, or not? Okay, let's do one more with this same method, and then we'll do the rest too with another method. Now they're saying to find the common factors of 15 and 25. The method that I'm saying you is listing the factor method. So for 15, what are the factors? 1 15s are is 50. 2 के table में 15 doesn't come. 3 5s are is 15. 4 के table में 15 doesn't come. 5 के table में 15 comes. 5 is already written there. That means we are done finding with the factors. What are factors of 15 now? 15 के factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. Yeah, you should be very organized when you write factors. They should always go in ascending or descending order. Okay. Next is 25. So let's list the factors of 25. 1 25 is 25. 2 के table में 25 doesn't come because it's an odd number. 3 के table में 25 doesn't come. 4 के table में 25 doesn't come. 5 के table में 25 comes at 5 5s. Right or not, beta जी? क्लियर है ना? इसके अलावा और कोई फैक्टर होता है 25 के? 5 is already 5 5s are. 5 के बाद और कोई नंबर ही नहीं है ना, which you can take. इसका मतलब we are done finding the factors, that is 1 5 and 25. राइट बेटा जी? कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं है इसमें? समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ अलग सा तो नहीं लग रहा है? अब इसमें कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालना है. कॉमन फैक्टर्स कैसे निकालेंगे? 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors. Got it, beta ji, or not? Clear hai? Ridhan, camera on karo beta jaldi se. Acha, who's not present in the session today now? Riyansh is not present and Myra is not present, hai na? So Riyansh and Myra will take a screenshot of this screen and share it in the group once they watch this video. So this is the test if they have watched the video nicely or not. Okay. Chalo. Now the next question, the factors of 35 and 50, finding the common factors of 35 and 50 we are doing, but with a different method, that is short division method. So this is another method that I am teaching you, that is short division method. How do you do that? 35 you write, 50 you write, right beta? And now you divide it with only the numbers that are common in both, only the factors that are common to both. So like 35 and 50, they both have got 5 as their common factor, because both the numbers they come on 5, but with the divisibility we know this, right? Divisibility table, divisibility test of 5, we know that 35 and 50 both are divisible by 5. So that means I am dividing it with 5 here. Now 35 divided by 5 is 7 and 50 divided by 5 is 10. Are you people getting it or not? Getting it, bache? Now has 7 and 10 got anything in common? Is there any factor in common there? So that means what is the common factor? The common one is 5. At max you can write 1 5 sir, because 1 is there in both. Got it, bache, or not? Clear, Kirat? Clear, Nishad? Nishad, clear or not, beta? Ridhan, is this clear to you or not?
But in my previous school, ma'am called this method prime factorization.
Beta, prime factorization is when you do it with a single number. 35 when you do it to beta, this method is called as prime factorization method. With the single number when you do it, this is prime factorization. With two numbers together, when you do that LCM thing, that is short division method. And there is one more method, long division method. With that, you find the highest common factor. That is HCF. Abhi, that long division method also I'll tell you. Okay? Got it? Understood the difference in prime factorization and short division method, beta? Okay, chalo. Now do this 56 and 120 by yourself and we'll discuss the answer. Then I am pause recording till then. So what we'll do here is 56 ko, if we are doing this with short division method, 56 divided by 2 is 28 and 120 divided by 2 is 60. Now we'll divide it further with 28 and 60. Once again, what is it? This is 14 and this is 30, right? Now let's do it with 2 once again. This is 7 and this is 15. Now there is nothing in common 7 and 15 ke saath. So what are the common factors then? Pata hai how do you find it? That is 1 you write because 1 is common in all the numbers 1. Then 2 you write. Then 2 2s are 4 you write. Dekho dhyan se, look at screen everyone. Then you start making combinations. 2 2s are 4. Then make a pair like this, no, a triplet like this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 1, 2, 4 and 8, they are common factors of 56 and 120. Got it, beta, or not? If you want to check, 56 and 120 both can be divided by 8. 56 and 120 both can be divided by 4, both can be divided by 2 as well. Okay, clear or not, everyone? So what is the answer? That is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Got it, bache?
Ma'am, you were explaining.
Very good, you have sent the answer. Very nice, good one. Which method have you opted to do that, Kiran?
1, 2, 4 and 8.
The one on screen or listing the factor method?
Yes, ma'am.
The safest is to do it with listing the factor method, beta. Because when you are making combinations, if even you miss one combination, no, your answer would go wrong. देखिए, अगर हम 56 और 120 को लिस्टिंग दी फैक्टर मेथड से करते तो कैसे करते? मैं पहले 56 के मेथड 56 के फैक्टर्स बना रही हूँ. That's 1 times 56, then 2 times 28. Then अपने divisibility rules check करो. Is 56 divisible by 3? What is the rule? That then a sum of numbers should be divisible. लो यहाँ पे 11 बन रहा है, which is not divisible by 3. तो 3 के टेबल से नहीं जाता. Then 4 says 56 divisible. Yes. So 4 what's are? 4 14s are is 56. है ना बेटा? 5 से divisible नहीं है. 6 से divisible है क्या? If 3 से नहीं है तो 6 से कैसे होगा? नहीं है. 7 के टेबल में 56 आता है. 7 8 जा. और जैसे ही 7 के बाद 8 आ गया, इसका मतलब नेक्स्ट नंबर सोचना ही नहीं है. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज इन आवर लिस्ट. तो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स? 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 एंड 56. गॉट इट बच्चे? ये 56 के फैक्टर्स हो गए. लेट्स डू इट फॉर 120 नाउ. 1 120s are is 120, 2 60s are is 120, 3 40s are is 120, 5 what's are? 5 2s are is 10 and 2 4s are 24s are. 5 24s are is 120, 6 20s are is 120. 7 के टेबल में it doesn't go, है ना? 7 के टेबल में नहीं आता ना 120. क्या आता है? कैसे चेक करते हैं 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी? व्हाट डिड आई टेल यू? लास्ट नंबर को डबल करो, विच इज 0, सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखो. 12 तो नहीं जाता 7 के टेबल में, है ना? 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी आई टोल्ड यू ना, लास्ट डिजिट को डबल करके रेस्ट ऑफ द नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. देन नेक्स्ट इज 8. 8 के टेबल में जाता है क्या 120? टेल मी. कैसे पता करते हैं हम? अगर ये ऑड हो तो वी ऐड 4 टू दिस नंबर. 8 का डिविजिबिलिटी आई टोल्ड यू नो. तो इज 24 डिविजिबल बाय 8? यस इट इज, है ना? 8 3s are is 24. नो, इसका मतलब 128 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए ना. देखो 8 1s are is 8, you subtract this you get 4, 0 comes down, 5s are is 40. देखो है तो डिविजिबल. तो हमने इस एक्सरसाइज से पहले डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स क्यों सीखे हैं? ताकि हमें बिना डिवाइड किए फैक्टर्स जल्दी जल्दी से मिल जाए. राइट बेटा? तो 8 जो है वो डिवाइड होता है, 120 जो है वो डिवाइड होता है 8 के साथ. राइट? नो, क्लियर है ना? कितने पर? 15 आर. राइट? 9 के टेबल में 120 जाएगा क्या? डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करो. 1 + 2 is 3. 3 तो डिविजिबल नहीं है 9 से. इसका मतलब 120 डजंट कम ऑन द टेबल ऑफ 9. राइट? है ना? 10 पे जाता है. 10 12s आर. 11 पे जाएगा क्या? 120 चेक करो. 11 पे ऑल्टरनेट नंबर को ऐड करो. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2. तो 2 और 1 का डिफरेंस इज 1. ये तो उस कैटेगरी का नहीं है, तो 11 से भी नहीं होता है ना? इसीलिए हमने डिविजिबिलिटी रूल सीखे हैं ताकि जल्दी जल्दी से कर सके. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 12. दैट इज ऑलरेडी इन आवर लिस्ट. दैट मींस वी आर डन फाइंडिंग द फैक्टर्स. व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स? 1 2 3 5 6 8 10. यहाँ तक आ गए इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में. अब इधर चले. 12 15 20 24 40 60 एंड 120. हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, हाफ नंबर के बाद 120 का हाफ होता है 60. 60 के बाद अगला फैक्टर सीधा 120 होता है. बीच में हाफ के बाद कोई फैक्टर नहीं होता. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स वी नीड टू फाइंड? व्हाट आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स? 1 इज कॉमन इन बोथ, है ना बच्चे? तो 1 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. देन 2 इज द कॉमन फैक्टर. दोनों में दिख रहा है 2. देन 3 है दोनों में? नहीं है. 4 है दोनों में? नहीं है. 5 भी नहीं है. 6 भी नहीं है. 7 भी नहीं है. 8 फिर से दोनों में है. राइट बच्चे? आ रही है बात समझ में कि नहीं आ रही है आपको? ओह, आई मिस्ड राइटिंग 4 हियर. आई मिस्ड वन फैक्टर बेटा जी. 4 30s आर. आई वाज लुकिंग लाइक 120 का फैक्टर 4 नहीं हो. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? माय बैड. So this 4 is one factor and 4 is a common factor here. Okay. So I'll correct it. This is 4 and this is 8. Right, बच्चे? है ना? अभी इसके बाद और कोई कॉमन फैक्टर 14, 28, 56 कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors. And this is what we got in the short division method also. है ना बेटा? लेकिन मैक्सिमम टाइम एग्जाम में दिस इज व्हाट टीचर इज लुकिंग. इसी के मार्क्स होते हैं. लिस्टिंग द कॉमन मेथड ही, कॉमन फैक्टर्स ही जो मेथड है विच इज यूज्ड इन योर सीबीएसई एग्जाम्स. क्लियर है बच्चे? अभी चले नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करें.
Ma'am, but 56 is also common.
क्या बेटा?
Ma'am, 56 is also common.
Where is 56 in 120 बेटा?
Oh, sorry.
So 56 isn't common to both, no? Okay. Clear है ना? सबको कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? चलो लेट्स डू फॉर वन मोर. अभी फाइंड करते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ एक नंबर और ऐसे ही लेते हैं 70 एंड 120. चलो जल्दी से करके बताओ मुझे इसके कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड. देखो बेटा जी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी लिस्टेड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 70 एंड 120. दिस टाइम आई हैव नॉट मिस्ड दिस 4. So what is this? The factors here are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 16, 35, 70. And here they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. Now what are the common ones? 1 is common. 2 is common. 3 and 4 which is here, it is not here in this factors of
5
70. Then 5 is common. है ना निशाद? And then 6 and 8 that are here, they are not here. The next one common is 10. Right, बच्चे? That's it. So the common ones are 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the common factors. Got it or not, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Ridan, clear or not, beta?
Clear.
Kirat, clear?
Yes, ma'am. I was just sending the answer in there.
Okay. The answer is visible to everyone, no? 1, 2, 5 and 8.
Ma'am, one second, I'll just be off chair for a second.
Okay.
When you were explaining and when I was doing the sum, ma'am, at that time your screen wasn't visible to me, but now I can see it.
Clear, no? The common ones are clear, no? Good. Okay. Now let's do this. Question number 2, common factors of 4, 8 and 12. Common factors of 4, 8 and 12. So the factors of 4 are 1, 4s are 4. Then 2, 2s are 4. Then any other factor? 4. Right? 1, 2 and 4. Because it's 1, 4s are, 2, 2s are. So how do I write? 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Right? For 8, should I list the factors? 1, 8s are, 2, 4s are, 3 don't have it, 4 you already have in list. That means we are done finding the factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. Right, bache? Factors of 12 are 1, 12s are, 2, 6s are, 3, 4s are. The next number after 3 is 4, which is already in the list. We are done finding the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the common ones here? 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common. That's it. Any other common factor? No. So what are the common factors are 1, 2, 4. That's the answer. Got it everyone or not? Okay. Now quickly do for the B part by yourself. Jaldi se. 5, 15 and 25. List all the factors first, then find the common ones, okay? I am pause recording till then. Okay, so we are discussing question number 3 here. First, 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 they're asking. So 6 and 8 are common multiples के लिए I have listed the multiples of 6. These are the multiples of 6 that I have listed. Then I have listed the multiples of 8. And then I have looked for the common ones. 24 is the common one here, 48 is the common one here, and 72 is the common one here. That means the common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, and 72. There can be more common multiples in both the tables, but they have asked us to list 3. We have done that. The answer is done. Right, beta?
Can I start with the next?
12 and 18, you can do it as your homework, okay? So 12 and 18 के factors you can find common multiples. Sorry, you can find that as your homework. Okay. Chalo, let's do the next one, 4th one. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. पता मैं आप लोग को एक बात बताऊं. One way is doing the hard work here, another way is doing the smart work here. I'll first of all explain you the concept, the hard work, and then I'll tell you how to do the smart thing. Okay. देखो, they are saying 3 and 4 का common multiple no, which is less than 100. So I list all the multiples of 3 that are less than 100. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. जल्दी जल्दी से tell me no, फटाफट से. अरे no one speaking. Not good. Why not? जल्दी जल्दी से बोलो. कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, मुझे ही करने पड़ेंगे सारे लिस्ट. 45 and 48 then 51 then 54 then 57 then 60 63 66 69 72 75 78 81 84 87 90 93, 96, 99. These are the multiples of 3 less than 100. Right, beta? Now the same way I list all the multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, then 52, then 56, then 60, 56, 60, right? Then 64, then 68, then 72, 76, then 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100. Right, beta? But उन्होंने less than 100 बोले तो we cannot include 100. They have told us to list it less than 100, no? So I cannot take 100. Okay. Now look for the common ones quickly. What are the common ones? Look for it. 12. Right, beta? है ना? 12 हो गया ना? Then next one's 24. Okay. Next one 36. Next one 48. Next one 60. Right, beta ji or not? है ना? Then 72. Then 84. Then 96. Right, beta ji or not? So these black circled ones are the common ones. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96 is the answer. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4, which are less than 100. This was the concept. But what's the smart work? How can you do it like this in seconds? Whenever they ask you such a question, the numbers, 2 numbers that are given, if they're co-prime, if they don't have any factor in common, right? 3 and 4 they are having here now. And 3 and 4 are co-prime. They don't have any factor in common except then 1. Iska matlab, multiply them. What is 3 4s are? That is 12. And all the numbers that come on the table of 12, the multiples of 12, actually are the answer. Dekho dhyan se. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are.
Oh my God.
Got it better or not? So,
Yes, ma'am.
matlab instead of doing all this now, 3 ka table till 99 and then 4 ka table till 96 and then finding the common one, it will take up at least 5 to 6 minutes of yours in the exam. Hai na, which will waste so much of time. So what is the best way doing here is if both the numbers are co-prime. If the numbers are not co-prime, this method won't apply there. There's another trick for that. But if the number
And
is
what's the
co-prime,
trick for that? Ma'am, what if I give like a number like 7 and 8?
7 and 8 they're co-prime. So 7 and 8 ka multiple is what? 7 8 is 56. Now whatever is the multiple of 56 no, is the common multiple of both the numbers.
Ma'am, 6 and 7.
6 and 7 they're also co-prime. 6 7s are is 42. So 42 ke multiple are common in both the tables.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay.
5 and 6.
When the numbers are co-prime, finding their common multiple is very easy. If you multiply both the numbers and the number that you get there, usi number ka table or usi number ke multiples are the answer. Got it or not? Interesting trick, no, Ridhan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was so surprised when you said, Ma'am, I just realized when I was looking at it, I was just doing my prayer, writing down everything. Then I saw, then you said 4 and 3. Then I didn't really understand ki 4 and 3, what are you doing? So then I saw 12. Then you said table. Soon as you said table, I saw ki, oh, ये तो सब table में आते हैं. Oh, oh.
Understood, no, Kirat beta? How to do this?
Ma'am, I
There's
saw,
such an
forgot to
easy
tell
way
you
of
at
doing
the
this
start of
question.
the
It's
video.
just that we waste our time finding all the factors, both.
Yes, ma'am. I forgot to tell you at the start of the session. I won't be able to switch on my camera. There's some network problem, not enough bandwidth.
Okay. Thanks for telling me at the end.
Yes. No,
Okay.
only.
Now in question number 5, we are analyzing which of the following numbers are co-prime. We are actually understanding which of the following numbers are co-prime. I have told you which numbers are co-prime. The numbers which have got no factor in common except then 1. It means their highest common factor or their only common factor is 1. Those numbers which have got their HCF 1, their highest common factor 1, or the only common factor 1, that is, that those numbers are co-prime. Right, beta ji, or not? So when I say this number 18 and 35, I need to identify if they are co-prime or not. I'll start finding their factors. And if there is no factor in common, except then 1, because 1 is a common factor to all the numbers that we have, then these numbers are co-prime. Right, beta ji, or not? So this can be done with the short division method also, 18, 35. This can be done like that also. This can be done with the long division method like that also. Long division method of finding the HCF. This can be done by listing the factor method also, right? So this can be done by n number of ways. What I am telling you here is the short division method. So tell me, do you find any number in common which comes on both the which is a factor to both the numbers 18 and 35? You
Ma'am,
slowly start applying all the divisibility things here. 2 say, are both the numbers divisible with 2? 18 and 35? No, 35 is not divisible by 2, right? Good. So we won't divide it with 2 here. Okay. In
Ma'am,
finding
18 is
LCM,
divisible
you
by
start doing that.
3.
Ma'am, 18 is divisible by 3, but
3 ka divisibility is 3 plus 5, 8 should be divisible by 3. Is 8 divisible by 3?
no.
No. Acha, now 4 ka divisibility is last 2 digits, 18 and 35. They are not coming in 4 ka table. They are not divisible. 5 se only 35 is divisible. 18 is not divisible. Right or not?
Ma'am, I figured out they are co-prime.
They are co-prime because they have got no factor in common. So we haven't find any factor except then one that is a common factor to both. That means both the numbers are co-prime. Got it or not?
These divisibilities are very easy.
Yes, these
And
divisibilities are very easy. I'll post that video also. I forgot to post Monday's video also. I'll post that video for you people. Watch that nicely once again. Okay. If you know your divisibilities, then maths becomes very easy in senior standards. Acha, now next thing, what is the other method of doing this? Same thing is long division method. I'll show you that also. So when I'm saying 18 is divisible by 18 and 35 are they divisible by any other common factor except in one, this I'm checking. I'll do the long division thing. 18 times 2 is 36. So I'll only write 1 and I'll subtract this 18 here. So 5 minus 18 is 7. Hai na? 15 minus 8 is 7. No? This is reduced to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 17. Right, beta? Now what will happen? Listen very carefully, beta. As soon as your remainder becomes smaller than your divisor becomes the next dividend. This 18
I've taught us this
come here.
before.
Yes, beta ji.
You've taught us this before.
Come again, bacha. I couldn't hear.
Mom, you've taught us this before.
Yes, I know. This is long division method. We have already done that. Now 17 times 1 is 17, right? And the remainder you got 1. Now whatever I told you, if the remainder becomes smaller than the divisor becomes the next dividend. So 1 times 17 is 17 and the remainder you got 0. So the divisor that got you remainder 0 is the common factor between both. And if the common factor is 1, that means there is no other common factor between 18 and 35. That means 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Got it, beta ji, or not? याद रखना बेटा, co-prime numbers are not necessarily prime numbers. यहाँ पे देखो 18 and 35, they are not prime numbers. None of these are prime numbers, beta ji. Yet they are co-prime. That means they are prime to each other. That means they have got no common factor in each other. Got it or not? Kirat, understood better or not what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are the numbers which have got only one as their common factor. No other factor is common between both the numbers. Got it? So this long division method can be used if the answer to this long division is 1. This is actually the method of finding HCF beta, highest common factor. And if the only common factor you get here is 1, that means these numbers are co-prime. Got it, bache? This one's the easiest method to do this. So I think now you can do rest of the question at your home with this long division method. Hai na, bache? Okay. So I'll put a cross here. Avoid doing it with short division method because it will take you too long to try all the divisibilities and then finally come to the conclusion. So avoid this method. This one is a better one. Okay. To analyze if the numbers are co-prime.
Ma'am, can you do it in another style, color, please?
Come again, bacha.
Mom,
I cannot hear you, Ridan. Beta, there's network glitch again.
Mom, nothing. I said nothing.
Okay. Now I'm
That's
giving
okay.
the screenshot in the group to you people. And you people complete this exercise till question number 6 as your homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhi, you have to complete your classwork. So question number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5 ka first part. This you complete right away and submit as your classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'll upload this video today. Okay. Chalo.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, 6th graders, 7th graders. Switch on your cameras.